This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, move the safety catch release lever to one side and fully open the bonnet. The air filter housing is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Depress the clip and disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Then unclip the wiring loom from the filter housing. Undo the 6 retaining screws. Then lift the filter cover just enough to remove the filter element. Remove all dirt and debris from the filter housing. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Locate the new filter element in the cover with the rubber seal uppermost. Lower the filter cover and element into place, ensuring it's correctly seated. Tighten the retaining screws securely. Clip the wiring loom back onto the filter cover, then firmly press the wiring plug into the socket in the mass airflow sensor. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.